welcome to Sniper CRM, the all-in-one app that helps you to track, manage, and scale your e-commerce business fast. If you run an e-commerce business in a country where the pay on delivery system is being used, this is the only app you need in your e-commerce business. This is a test account. I'm going to log in now and show you how Sniper CRM will help your e-commerce business. Right? So you put your username and your password and you click sign in. The moment you log in, you see your dashboard. Your dashboard gives you a summary of your sales. You can see your bestseller, your total revenue, your last week summary, and your this week summary. On your left sidebar, you have all the menus to use Sniper CRM. Users allows you to create the users of your dashboard, and we have different categories of users. All of these users have their own customized dashboard. You have your customer support staff, you have your social media staff, accountant, marketer, inventory manager, and then you as the administrator. If you create any user in this category, they will log in and see their own customized dashboard, right? And you can set their salaries on a fixed salary basis or with commission, so that at the end of the month you can easily know how much you have to pay your staff without having to do any manual calculation. Everything is done directly in your Sniper CRM dashboard. Categories allows you to group your products by categories, more or less like saying you have multiple stores inside your Sniper CRM dashboard. As you can see here, these are all different categories, each of them standing alone as an individual brand. So the emails and SMSs and WhatsApp messages that will be sent to your customers will carry the brand name, all right, of this category. Then the product allows you to create the product you are going to sell on your sales page. And the beautiful thing about this is that you can create products to sell to any country of your choice. If you click add product, it will load up all the countries you have. So if you're selling in maybe Ghana or Cameroon, Nigeria, you select the country and automatically Sniper CRM would load up all the states that are in that country by the time the customer is ordering for the product. All right. And the product module here allows you to create different kind of options, like variations, like offer. So if you say you have an offer, you say yes. So it's highly customizable. You have everything. There's no product creation software in the market that does what Sniper CRM does. Allows you to manage even your free gifts and everything. Automatic product deduction on every sale. All right. So you have your forms. Your forms allows you to create the code which you are going to embed on your sales page. So look at this now. This is a form. If I click preview other form, it's going to load the form. So you can see how the form will look like on your sales page. All right. Then you can add order for that particular form. Now, when you want to create a form, you can customize all the form options. As you can see here, your name, your phone number, you can put whatever you want to show on the form, all right? And you can select the product, okay? And more importantly, you can add order bumps and upsell. Do you want to add an order bump product? If you say yes, it's going to bring out the order bump options. You can see. Then, do you want to add an upsell? You say yes, it's going to bring out the upsell options. Now, this allows you to have an increased average order value, right? So that you can make more money from your sales funnel. So to know more about this, everything you have on this page, okay, you just click on this question mark icon here, and a video will pop out that would explain every single thing you have on this page. And from there, you can easily know what and what to do. But this is how you create your order bomb and your upsell product. And then you have the WhatsApp redirect. So when the customers fill the form, it redirects them to the WhatsApp where they can initiate a conversation with you and the email addresses you want to be receiving the orders as they are dropping. All right. Agents allows you to manage all your delivery agents. You create your agents and you can see them here, so that at any time when orders come in, you can assign orders to them and they will see it on their own agent's mobile app, and they can always give updates on their app. Your inventory allows you to keep track of all your products. Now, One of the biggest problem of e-commerce business is product inventory, to know the amount of stock that you have left at any given time. So at every time you're sending out stock to any of your agents, you click on outgoing stock, and then you record the information or the quantity of that product you are sending out. As you can see here, sending out 20 units of this product to this agent in this state. Now, what it does is that by the time you're making any sales, it's going to automatically deduct it for you, so that you can just come here and say stock left in states. You can now say, okay, we sent 20 to this agent and we have sold 8, remain 12. So you don't need to manually calculate how many of your products are left in any states. Sniper CRM does that for you automatically. Then you can say stock left with agents. You want to see how many of your products are left with a particular agent. So it's going to pick the agent and then show you all the products that you have with that agent. All right. And then you can see the quantity sold and the quantity left. Expenses allows you to record all your expenses. If you are doing e-commerce business and you don't have a system to track your expenses and to know the impact of these expenses on your business, then you're not running a business at all. So every day you record every single expense that your business incurred. And when you're recording your expenses, it allows you to select where your expenses are taken from. Is it from the bank balance or from your cash inflow? All right. So you record that and save it. So when Sniper CRM is giving you your report, it's going to deduct all of your expenses from your sales, so that you can know how much is your net profit. All right. Today's delivery, what it does is that all the orders that has been scheduled, so assuming an order comes in on the 1st of September and you call the customer says you should deliver on the 5th of September. All right. Now, on that 5th of September in the morning, immediately your customer support staff log in. This is what they are going to see: today's delivery. So you don't need to manually sort out orders that have been scheduled for today. It will just filter everything out for you and you can process them here. All right. And you can also search and retrieve information based on product, based on the country or the states, and then the dates or agents or customer information. Orders. Orders allows you to process all the orders. Remember I told you you create your forms from here. Now, the form you embed on your sales page, all right? When the customers fill that form, this is where it is dropping. All the orders will just drop in here, and the customers will get SMS, email, and WhatsApp messages once they place an order. The same thing happens anytime you process an order. So if you call the customer and you want to update the status for that order, all right, the customer will also get SMS, WhatsApp, and email. All right. So now look at this. Hold is just to notify if you have maybe two customer support staff. You don't want them to be calling the customers at the same time. So anybody, any of your staff that is processing an order will just click on hold, so that it's going to notify the orders. You can see, you will see it here. This updated by, it will show the name of the staff that is attending to it, so that all the other customer support staff will know that the order is being handled by so staff, and they will not bother to call the customer. You know, customers get irritated when they see or receive plenty calls from sellers, right? Print invoice would open the invoice for you and you can send it to PDF and send to the customer if customer wants it. All right. Edit order, you can allows you to edit the order. As you can see here, you can edit the order information. Then you have the confirmed. So if you've called the customer, yes, is expecting the product, you just click on confirmed. All right. Now, awaiting. The customer is waiting for the product right now, and you have the product in the customer state. What you are going to do next is to pick an agent from this list, select from the states. So the order came from so state. Sniper CRM will filter all the agents in that state for you, and you can pick the agent you want to handle the order. All right. If the customer paid any commitment fee, you type the fee here and you save it. Now, what this does is that the agent has, for example, 10 units of that product. You have assigned this order to him. By the time he is done, you now mark it as delivered. It's going to automatically deduct that quantity that was delivered from that 10 that he had with him before. So if he delivered two, Sniper CRM will automatically do all the deductions and show you under your stock left in states or stock left with agent as the case may be. All right. Then here you have the shipped. So you have shipped the product to the customer state. You just click shipped. Schedule. You call the customer. The customer says, okay, bring the product next tomorrow. You just come here and select the date. And if the customer gave you any further instructions or any request, you just type it here and you save it. Everything will be available for you to make reference to when next you are processing the order, right? They're not picking calls. Customer is not picking calls. Number is switched off. You click it out this button. What it does is it's going to send the customer an SMS. All these SMSs I told you about. Customer filled your form, he receives an SMS. You click not picking, he receives an SMS. You update any other status, customer receives SMS. You can customize every single one of them under the SMS marketing. You can see here SMS marketing, SMS templates. The same thing with WhatsApp marketing, WhatsApp templates. All right. So then you can put a comment for that order. You can cancel it or you can delete the order. Now, this delete will just temporarily remove the order from view. It will move it to this deleted tab. So you as the administrator, the owner of the business, you can always see all the orders that were deleted. So at any time you can restore them. Maybe your customer support staff mistakenly deleted an order. You just come here and you restore it back to the status it was before. All right. So these are all the status. As you are updating them, Sniper CRM is sorting them out to each of these tab, as you can see. And one of the best thing about this is that it makes you to manage your orders very, very, very easily. Automatic sorting and customer notification, right? So you can just come to any of this tab and retrieve any order you want, and you can always search using this search bar at the top here. Okay. Accounting, this is where you get all the accounting reports of your business. Your cash inflow, you have given your staff some money, you record it here as cash inflow so that by the time they are doing any expenses, you can see under expenses here, you can always say, okay, we bought fuel, but we took the money from cash inflow. So if you give your staff 50,000 and they come here and say they bought fuel 5,000 and it was taken from cash inflow, Sniper CRM will automatically give you the report under your cash report and show you that, okay, you gave out 50,000 and 5,000 naira as was used to buy fuel. And you can see the cash balance here. All right. The same thing with bank inflow. So every time orders are marked as delivered, it will automatically be added to your bank account. So look at this now. Let us go to orders. This is orders. So let's pick an order. So look at this order has been delivered. When orders have been delivered, you have to now mark it as cash remitted. All right. When you are trying to move it to cash remitted, it's going to ask you where was the money paid into. Then you select the bank account. All right. So that bank account you select to is going to automatically add it up to the money you have in that bank account. That is what the bank inflow does. Bank inflow records all the money coming into your bank account, and then the bank report shows you all the inflow and outflow and then the balance of your bank account. All right. Next, you have your sales report. Your sales report gives you a breakdown of your sales. So let us sort by this year and then we search. Now look at this. It is going to show you the summary of all the products, your main products. All right. You can see the total order amount delivered, percentage, total. You can see the figures here and the number here. All right. Look at it. Then also your order bumps and your upsells. It will show you how many of them were sold. Then your free gifts. Now, your expenses. All right. At the end of the day, Sniper CRM will now give you a breakdown of your revenue by showing you all the total number of orders that has been delivered, total delivery fee that was charged by your delivery agent, the total cost of your product. When you were creating the product, to ask you for the cost price of the product. So it's going to deduct that. Then your total free gift cost. So even though it's a free gift, there's a cost associated to it. The free gift is 1,000 naira, right? It's going to add up all the quantity of free gift and times it by the amount, put it there. Then your total expenses, you can see it will put it there for you. Now it will minus all this in red. It will minus them from the total delivered orders and then give you your net profit. This is how much you have made as profit in your e-commerce business. So the fact that money is coming in doesn't mean that all that money coming in is profit. That's the major reason why you do business and you don't know where your money is going. If you use Sniper CRM, at a glance, you can now know why you are not seeing your money because of the maybe expenses or the delivery fee were too high or whatever. And you can make decisions from there. All right. Top selling states allows you to filter your product by top selling states so that you can know how to scale and how to allocate your marketing budget based on the states that are performing the best. The same thing with top selling products. Top selling products shows you all the products that are top selling. Look at the main product, order bump, and the upsell. So you can know how to re-strategize in your e-commerce business. Inventory report gives you a summary of all the products that you bought. So how much did you spend to buy those products? How much is your expected profit? As you can see, this is the cost price, selling price, quantity purchased, the capital you invested in the business, quantity that's been sold, quantity that is left after selling. All right. So at a glance, you can easily know how much of your money is tied down to any given product at any time. Expenses report gives you a breakdown of all your expenses grouped by the expenses types. Look at this now. Under the expenses, you have the expenses type. So if you can group them, you can see office security fee, salary, ad spend. You can add your own by clicking add expenses type. So your expenses report will give you a breakdown. So you can now know that okay, for this month we spent so amount for maybe NEPA bill, or we spent so amount for fueling of bikes. All right, and then you can now make decisions based on whatever figures you are seeing there. All right, so that is that for the expenses report. Then your ads return on investment shows you how much are you making in your business. You've spent 50,000 naira on ads, you add others worth of maybe 1 million naira. That does not mean you have made 1 million naira. The money you have made is the total amount of orders that you have delivered. So if you're able to deliver 800,000 out of the 1 million naira, it means that 50,000 naira ad spent brought in 800,000 naira, not 1 million naira. So your ads return on investment is actually the amount of orders that's been delivered. The one Facebook shows you return on ad spend, that is irrelevant in our own circumstances because we run on pay on delivery. It's about the money sitting in your bank account. That is what matters. All right. So the ads ROI will show you how well your ad spend is performing. Then your bank account allows you to add your bank account so that when you deliver an order, you can easily select the account where the money was paid into for you to have very good accounting records. WhatsApp marketing allows you to integrate your WhatsApp number into your business. So if you click on setup, you can easily scan. Look at this now. Add WhatsApp number. You put the number you want to add here, select the country, and then you put the number and you save it. When you do that, you come here and click scan QR code. When you scan the QR code, by default, we give you 14 days trial for this so that you can test it and see how it works. So if you scan the QR code to open the page, then you open your WhatsApp on your phone and scan the code. Now, the moment you do that and it shows you connected, anytime you do anything, maybe customer place an order or you update customer status, the customer will receive WhatsApp messages. There's nothing as good as this because you are in touch with your customers. There's no app is being used better than WhatsApp, especially in this part of the world. So imagine being able to connect with your customers directly on WhatsApp, right immediately they place an order or when you update an order status. All this will help you in increasing conversion. So look at this now. Templates allows you to set the kind of message that will be sent out. Look at this new order for your main offer. This is the message. So you can just come here and type whatever you want to type and save. You can add a link to a video, an MP4 video or an image source. So when you send it's going to show this to the customer on their WhatsApp. You can see new order for order bump and upsell. You can customize all of these messages as you want, and you can turn them on or off. If I want to activate this, I just click turn off. So it's on now, then I save. So when customers place an order, this is the message they will receive on their WhatsApp. Now, marketing allows you to do a bulk WhatsApp broadcast. So for this product now, I want to send message to all the customers that we've delivered this product to, or the ones that are on awaiting, or the ones that are that they've cancelled, or the ones that are unscheduled. Based on the order status, you can see them here. Total delivered 13. So I can say, okay, send this message to all people that will deliver to. You type your message there, and you can put the link to your MP4 video or your image, and you click send message now. Automatically, all the customers on that segment, on that status that you selected here for that product, will receive WhatsApp notification immediately. And one of the good things is that we have done it such that your WhatsApp number will never get blocked, because we are able to schedule the time when the messages are being sent out. There's a delay of between 2 to 10 seconds, so that WhatsApp will not block your number. All right. Now, the sweetest part of this is this automation. Automation allows you to set series of messages on a per product basis. So if I say, okay, all the customers that are on delivered for this product, I want to set a message for them. You can just click here, view automation, and then it will allow you to see all the automation message, and you can put your own. So what does that mean? So imagine you have like maybe 10 messages that you've saved for customers that you've delivered to. Maybe you are trying to introduce them to a new product, or customers that are on awaiting. You try to persuade them, talk more about the product. Just save the messages there, and you select the trigger. Okay, every delivered order, send on day what, send on what time, put the time there. All right, and then you type the message and you save it. What it's going to do is it will send out these messages to the customers at that particular time, based on the trigger you selected here: awaiting, delivered, cancelled, or scheduled. All right. SMS marketing, similar to WhatsApp marketing. SMS templates. So all the messages that will be sent out to customers, you can come here and customize them. That is the SMS messages, just like I explained in the WhatsApp marketing. All right. Then SMS marketing allows you to do bulk SMS. You want to send out bulk SMS to your customers. The same thing, just like WhatsApp. But you have to watch here your SMS units at the top here. You have to make sure you have enough units before you do SMS marketing. All right. If you are low on SMS units, you just click here and then click SMS top up and buy SMS to your Sniper CRM dashboard. Automation, the same thing, just like WhatsApp. You can set series of messages that will be sent out based on the order status, based on the time, a day, or trigger, right? And then you save it. Sniper CRM will do the rest for you. All right. So email, no more paying for third party autoresponder like Aweber and the rest. Sniper CRM has its own inbuilt email marketing system. Now, the best thing about this is that you see, your third party autoresponders cannot automatically detect when your orders have been marked as delivered, awaiting, scheduled, all this status. But Sniper CRM will do that because all the orders are being processed directly inside your dashboard. All right. So if I click on add new list, you create a list. Let me just create a list, say test, description, let's just say test, and then I save it. This is the list. Then I can now create the message. You can see here a number of autoresponder. I can click plus to add an autoresponder. You can see now. So you can see, name your autoresponder, send out on day, and then the time you want it to send out. You select the time there. You put your email subject, hello, hello, your subject, and you can come here and type the body of the email as you want it to be. You can see, you can customize, you can see bold and every other thing there. You can add image, and then you save autoresponder, right? So, okay, so that is the list that you have created. Okay, so now Newsletter allows you to create, to send message, like you want to send an email right now to particular segment of your customers. So look at this. Every customer that we've delivered this very product to, I want to send them email right now. Or customers that we their other status is on awaiting, I want to send them message now. So you select the products you want and then the other status, and then you compose your message and you hit send email now. It's going to send email immediately. Now look at the automation. Automation now allows you to set the messages that will be sent out based on all the other status. The moment you mark an order as delivered, the customer should be moved to this list. You want to move the customers to this particular list on awaiting, on cancelled, or on scheduled. So you create all the lists you want, put all the messages you want there and save it. Let Sniper CRM do the rest for you. When you're done, you click save automation. Now there's a video at this top here on every page. If you click on this video, it's going to load a video that explains further everything on that page in detail. All right. So you don't need to worry about how to use any of these things. And also, we have the academy here that shows you everything, all the videos. You can see academy loads all the video for you to watch and understand better about all the features in Sniper CRM. Amazing features, right? So payment gateways allows you to integrate payment gateways. You can see here you have Paystack, Flutterwave. So you just log into your Paystack account, you look for the live secret key and you paste it here and you make sure that it's turned on here. Now, when customers want to order, they will see the Paystack icon on your sales page. Same thing with Flutterwave. Then you have your bank account, you put your bank details here, right? And you save it. Then by default, you have the cash on delivery. All right. Integration allows you to integrate your third party autoresponder. Maybe you still want to go ahead to use maybe get response, your MailChimp and the rest. You just click on configure integration, put your API key and you save it. That's all. When customers fill your form, they'll be added to that list. On the form creation, there's a place where you select the list you want them to be added to. All right. Staff earnings allows you to see how much your staff have earned per time. You can see here total amount, total salary, commission. So if you set commission structure for them, you will see everything at the end of the month. You just come here and see the total earnings for you to know how much your staff is due to earn. And in the commission section, you can select whether you pay commission on a percentage or on a fixed basis, maybe 5% of sales or just flat amount of 10,000 naira, and you save. And then you can also say, okay, this commission should only be paid if the staff meets sales targets, which you can always set under your store settings at any given time. All right. Referrals allows you to earn, refer, just click this your referral link and share. Once anybody clicks that link and signs up to Sniper CRM, you earn cool 40% of any amount the person pays, and it's recurrent. Even when if the person renews his account, you still earn that same amount. Now, Facebook audience, hidden audiences allows you to see all the hidden audiences that you cannot see in your Facebook ads account, in your ads manager. So just put your keyword there and it's going to filter out all the hidden audiences which you can now use in your marketing on Facebook. ID generator allows you to generate ID card to use to verify your business manager account, all right? Your Facebook account or your business manager account. So you just put your details, you make sure the details here are exactly as it is on your profile, upload the photo and then you generate ID. Then the tax certificate generator allows you to generate tax to use to verify your business manager. You put your business name as it is shown on your business manager, you put the address and you generate tax certificate. Customer support allows you to manage all the support for all your customers. So you can see all the orders that have been delivered here. You can update the status, like if customer calls and lay a complaint, you just type it there and you save. All right. Support ticket allows you to send us a support ticket. Maybe you have an issue and you need help. Just click add support tickets and we will receive it and attend to it. You can also click this icon here at any time to have us on WhatsApp. There's a customer support staff that is on WhatsApp waiting to receive your questions and to be promptly attended to. All right. Payment allows you to see all the payments that you have made on Sniper CRM. maybe you buy SMS or you subscribe, whatever, you see them there. Then your store settings allows you to configure your store. You can see your store name, your country, your state, your address, phone number, all the extra tabs you want to see on the orders page. You want to send anytime somebody logs into your account, you will receive an email notification. If you don't want that email notification, you just click here to turn it off. All right. And then, like I said, Academy shows you all the videos that you have on Sniper CRM, right? So go click this 14-day sign up, test drive this, and see how it works. Every single feature I showed you here is exactly what you are going to see in your Sniper CRM dashboard. I can't wait to have you inside. Cheers.